Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are tackling common Windows errors, that is Msvcr110.dll, missing message. If you are seeing this message, don't worry. I will guide you through a few simple steps to fix it and get your application running smoothly again. Let's dive right in. Before we get started, let's quickly understand what Msvcr110.dll is. It's a file that's part of the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable package. Many applications depend on this file to run. So if it is missing or corrupted, you will encounter this error. So if you have a program, game or application and you are facing this error, you are at the right place. I will guide you two different methods to fix this error. This video only covers the method 1. If this error persists even after following this method, you can check my second video that is surely going to work. So now let's get started. I have provided this information in my page. You can check your missing DLL name in this file. In our case, it is Msvcr110.dll. Search for Msvcr110.dll in this document, and you can see that Msvcr110 belongs to Microsoft Visual Studio 2012 update. So now we will go to Microsoft official page, copy this link. So this is what we have to download. So now let's go there. Not this one. This one is Visual Studio 2012. Okay, so we have to download this one. So I would recommend to download both of these setups. If your Windows operating system is 32-bit, you will install x86. If it is 64-bit, you will download this one. So I would recommend to download both of these packages. After your download is complete, now let's go and install these packages. Now how to check whether your operating system is 32-bit or 64-bit? Go and right click on my computer. Go to properties. Now that your system type is 64-bit. So what I will do, I will first install 64-bit. If your operating system is 32-bit, install Visual Studio 32-bit package. If it is already installed, so you will hit repair. After installation is complete, now let's go and first for restart your PC. Okay, after your PC is restarted, now let's go and run the application. Now we have successfully resolved this error. If this method does not work for you, you can check my another video for second method. Let me know in the comment section. Hit like and subscribe to my channel.